Republic Day is considered as a national festival and celebrated every year on the 26th of January. A republic is a state in which highest power is held by the people and their elected government. Republic Day honors the date on which the Constitution of India came into effect on 26th January 1950. After India got independence on 15th of August 1947, a constituent assembly was formed to frame the constitution for the country. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was appointed as the chairperson for this committee. It took 2 years, 11 months, and 18 days to write the constitution. It was completed on 26th November in 1949. On 26th of January 1950, the constitution was eventually adopted and implemented in the country. 26th January was chosen as the date because it was on this day in 1929 when the Declaration of Indian Independence Purn Swaraj was proclaimed by the Indian National Congress. The President of India hoists the national flag in New Delhi, following which the national anthem is sung. On this day, parades take place at the Rajpath. The parade showcases India's defense capabilities and its cultural heritage. Bravery awards are given on this day. The governors of respective states hoist the national flag in the state capital. People all across the country celebrate this day. They hoist the flag and organize events. Happy Republic Day! Thanks for watching. Give this video a like if you liked it.
उच्छल जलधितर